Good morning YouTube, how is everyone? Hope you're well. So just got to my second job today. Unfortunately Gary's not here today, he's off sick, so it's just me today. Boo! But anyway guys, just heading down to the area we're going to be working today. It's just going to be a little pressure washing job, so let's crack on. I'll show you what we got guys. Okay guys, so as you can see, got this patio, this little courtyard should I say. There's a little test spot we done, so let's hope that it cleans up just as well as that. And then just down there as well. So I've left the pots there because they're really heavy and I don't want to put my back out, so what I'll do is I'll just shift them to one side and try and rinse down as best as I can. But guys, thank you so much for watching this, and don't forget to like and subscribe. That'd be awesome. It takes quite a bit of time to do these videos, and if you're watching and enjoying the content, just hit that subscribe button as well, that'd be great. Okay, let's get to it. Right, let's do this. So I've just had a little sweep of the area. Some bits aren't coming off, so they'll jet out anyway. But I've got my ear defenders. Pressure washing with an electric one, you don't really need them, but I just find that the noise gets a little bit annoying after a while. And also your goggles guys, always wear eye protection when you're pressure washing. You may think it's just water, but I've pressure washed deckings before and it shot splinters of wood out, so always wear eye protection. It's the most important thing. Monster Munch. Probably the best crisps ever. Chips in America, maybe? I don't know, do you call them chips in America? Potato chips? A little monster claw. There we go, guys. I mean, it definitely looks 100% better. It was just black basically, and then just down there as well, little bits of water and stuff like. But that will, once that's dry, a stiff brush and a blow will do that. And then down the end in the corner, just down here, there's a lot of greenness. I don't know what it's from. But I can only presume it's where there seems to be a drip on the guttering. So maybe up the top there, it drips down into that corner maybe. I'm not sure, but the other corner I've cleaned up fine. And then just finished off, giving everything a wash down. Looking good as new. I did the side of the walls, but the top of the walls wasn't the job. I just sort of thought I'd clean the sides of them. Which is the main reason we did this, was basically because it was getting slippery. and she needed something, you know, she's not elderly, but she's you know, somebody said she's probably in her 60s, and you know, coming out here is very, very slippery, so it's definitely not so slippery anymore. Alright guys, thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, that'd be awesome. Take it easy, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.